Atlas Tube is North America's top producer of hollow structural sections, or HSS. Since its founding in 1984, Atlas has grown by providing consistently high-quality product and exceptional technical expertise and service. Our HSS provides strong structural support for a range of applications, including agriculture, industry, military, transportation, infrastructure, building construction, and more. We produce HSS to meet a wide range of specs, including CSA G4021 and ASTM A500, A513, A252, and A1085, a newer spec that allows for greater efficiency, predictability, and savings. The HSS produced at Atlas Tube's multiple manufacturing facilities represent the industry's largest range of shapes and sizes, including jumbo HSS. When running at peak speed, the Atlas team rolls up to 1,000 tons of HSS in a single shift, all of top quality. The process begins with coil management. All HSS are made from hot-rolled steel. As the coils come in, Atlas technicians inspect them to verify their gauge and ensure they're free of defects. To maintain flexibility and quality control, Atlas slits its own coils to size based on the tube diameter to be run during a particular shift. Once the steel is uncoiled and flattened, it's joined to the end of another coil with an end weld, or butt weld. This welded portion is later cut out and scrapped, but allows the steel to move through the production process as one continuous sheet. Next, a continuous sheet of end-welded steel heads into the spiral accumulator. As it travels throughout production, our entry operations team is able to seamlessly add coils back at the entry point, so the process never experiences a material lag. 5 forming rolls work like rolling pins to shape the welded steel strip into a curve. Each roll forms the steel into a deeper curve until it takes on a U-shape, about 70% of its finished shape. You can see that this is the brightest spot in the factory, thanks to the continuous polishing effect. These rollers can be changed out quickly to run sections of different diameter or steel gauge, enabling our team to complete a drop-in rolling for customers with an urgent need. Finally, the rolling press change from convex to concave and gradually push the ends together, making sure they line up evenly, and the strip edges are burnished clean to ensure a high-quality weld, the next step in the process. Atlas HSS are welded using electric resistance welding, or ERW. There are 2 methods of inducing current to heat the strip edge, either with a high-frequency induction coil or with copper-based contact shoes as we see here. In this method, resistance to the flow of electricity causes heat to build up in the strip. The heat zone can reach 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit, all while this particular line runs at speeds of up to 120 feet per minute. The result is a continuous longitudinal weld with pinpoint accuracy that creates a solid bond that's stronger than the steel itself. All excess seam from the OD is carved off by the scarf cutter, making a smooth and almost invisible seal. The section is cooled down by a constant stream of water and coolant to prevent cracking and splitting while maintaining straightness tolerances. The Turk's heads work the section to a final and precise size with a superior surface finish. Next, the heat number, size, grade, date, and time of manufacturing are stenciled on the section's exterior for easy identification. Then the HSS are ready to be cut to length. The cutoff saw is on a rail and actually grabs and moves with the section. Again, everything is designed to keep the process moving. Most important, this saw and the Atlas project-oriented approach enabled the team to produce HSS according to customer-specified lengths. Finally, the HSS undergo 2 destructive tests for quality assurance. The cone test tests the integrity of the weld by forcing a hydraulic press until the test piece fails or is expanded to a predetermined amount without failure of the ERW weld seam. Flatness testing involves flattening a sample with the weld at the vertical and horizontal axes, or 0 and 90 degrees to the direction of force. This test also verifies weld integrity, as well as the ductility of the steel itself. All HSS are bar-coded and given original mill test reports, or MTRs, from the producing mill. All Atlas MTRs are backed by coil certificates from the steel supplier, which are reviewed before the coils are shipped to our plants. Atlas Tube ships HSS via truck and rail to stocking partners and directly to project sites throughout North America. It all adds up to the strongest support for your customers' projects. Depend on Atlas Tube's HSS for your upcoming project needs. For more information about our process or ordering HSS, contact Atlas Tube.